How to set border of header or footer in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word, then go to Insert. You'll find Add a Header option. Click on Add a Header, then click on Edit Header. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. After that, simply click on Designs. In Designs, go to Page Borders located on top right. In here, select Style of your border. After selecting Style of your border from all these options, simply click on OK. After clicking OK, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. And you're good to go. That's how you set border or header in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.